Hello, everyone. My name is Emily, and welcome to English Club. I am so happy you are here with us today. We have another exciting topic to discuss. But first, let me say hello to my wonderful co-host, Paul. Hi, Paul. How are you doing today?
Hi, Emily. I am doing great. Thank you. How are you? You look very energetic today.
Thank you, Paul. Yes, I am feeling wonderful. I had a good night's sleep. How was your night?
My night was excellent. I went to bed early and slept very well. I feel refreshed today. What time did you go to bed, Emily?
I went to bed around 10 p.m. I like going to bed early. It helps me wake up feeling good. Do you usually go to bed early, Paul?
Yes, I try to. I think sleep is very important for our health. So, Emily, did you have breakfast this morning?
Yes, I did. I had some scrambled eggs and toast. It was simple but delicious. What about you, Paul?
I had cereal with milk and a banana. Quick and easy. I am not a big breakfast person, but I know it is important to eat something.
That is true. Breakfast gives us energy for the day. So, Paul, do you have any plans for this weekend?
Yes, I am planning to visit my parents. I have not seen them in a few weeks. I miss them. What about you, Emily? Any weekend plans?
That sounds lovely. I am planning to clean my apartment and maybe watch a movie. Just a relaxing weekend at home.
That sounds nice. Sometimes we need quiet weekends to rest and recharge.
I agree completely. So, are you ready to start our lesson today?
Yes, I am very ready. What topic are we covering today?
Well, before we start today's topic, please like and subscribe to our channel for more English learning videos. It really helps us grow.
Yes, please. Your support means everything to us. We appreciate each and every one of you.
Thank you so much. So today, we are going to learn easy English idioms that start with the letter G.
Oh, idioms with G. We are making good progress through the alphabet.
Yes, exactly. We have covered A, B, C, D, E, and F. Now we move to G.
I love learning idioms. They are so useful in conversations.
I agree. So let us begin. The first idiom is get the ball rolling.
Get the ball rolling. What does this mean, Emily?
It means to start something, to begin a process or activity.
Oh, so if you get the ball rolling, you are starting something?
Exactly. It's about taking the first step to begin.
I understand. Can you give me an example?
Sure. Let us get the ball rolling on this project. We need to start working.
Good example. So you are suggesting to start the project now.
Exactly. Do you like to get the ball rolling quickly, Paul?
It depends. Sometimes I like to plan first, but other times I just get the ball rolling and start immediately.
That is a balanced approach. Planning and action are both important.
I agree. Okay, what is the next idiom?
The next one is give someone the cold shoulder.
Give someone the cold shoulder. That sounds, unfriendly. What does it mean?
It means to ignore someone or treat them in an unfriendly way, to be cold towards someone.
Oh, so if you give someone a cold shoulder, you are not being nice to them?
Exactly. You are showing that you are upset or do not want to talk to them.
Can you make a sentence with this?
Of course. After our argument, she gave me the cold shoulder for a week. She would not talk to me.
So she ignored you because she was upset about the argument.
Exactly. Have you ever given someone the cold shoulder, Paul?
Maybe when I was younger, but now I try to communicate instead of ignoring people. Talking is better than giving the cold shoulder.
That is very mature. Communication is always better than silence.
I agree. Okay, what is the next idiom?
The next idiom is go the extra mile.
Go the extra mile. Does this mean to make extra effort?
Yes, exactly right, Paul. Go the extra mile means to do more than what is expected, to put in extra effort.
So it is about doing your best and even more?
Exactly. Can you use it in a sentence?
Sure. The customer service team always goes the extra mile to help customers. They are very helpful.
Perfect example. They do more than just the minimum. They really try to help.
Yes. Do you go the extra mile in your work, Emily?
I try to. I think going the extra mile shows dedication and care.
I agree. It makes a difference in the quality of work.
Exactly. Okay, the next idiom is get cold feet.
Get cold feet. What does this mean?
It means to become nervous or afraid before doing something important, to lose confidence at the last minute.
Oh, so if you get cold feet, you might not do something because you're scared?
Exactly. People often get cold feet before big decisions like getting married or changing jobs.
I see. Can you give an example?
Sure. I was going to jump off the diving board, but I got cold feet and climbed back down.
So you became too nervous to jump at the last moment.
Exactly. Have you ever gotten cold feet, Paul?
Yes, I was going to give a presentation in front of many people. Right before I started, I got cold feet. I was so nervous.
That is very common. Public speaking makes many people nervous. What did you do?
I took a deep breath and did it anyway. I was glad I did not let cold feet stop me.
That is brave. Sometimes we need to push through our fears.
I agree. Okay, what is the next idiom?
The next one is give it a shot.
Give it a shot. Does this mean to try something?
Yes, exactly. Give it a shot means to try something, to make an attempt.
So it is encouragement to try even if you are not sure you will succeed?
Exactly. Can you make a sentence?
Sure. I have never played tennis, but I will give it a shot and see if I like it.
Perfect. You are willing to try something new.
Yes. What about you, Emily? Do you like to give new things a shot?
Yes, I do. I think trying new things is exciting. You never know what you might enjoy.
I agree. Life is more interesting when we give new things a shot.
Exactly. Okay, the next idiom is get out of hand.
Get out of hand. What does this mean?
It means a situation becomes difficult to control. Things become chaotic or unmanageable.
Oh, so when something gets out of hand, you lose control of it?
Exactly. Can you give an example?
Let me think. The party got out of hand when too many people arrived. It became too crowded and noisy.
Excellent example. The party became difficult to control.
Yes. Do you have experience with something getting out of hand, Emily?
Yes. One time I was organizing an event and things got out of hand because we didn't have enough volunteers. It was stressful.
That sounds challenging. Did you manage to fix it?
Yes, we asked for more help and everything worked out, but it was a lesson to plan better.
Good lesson. Planning prevents things from getting out of hand.
Exactly. Okay, the next idiom is good things come to those who wait.
Good things come to those who wait. That sounds like, patience is important. What does it mean?
Exactly. It means if you are patient, you will be rewarded. Good results come with patience.
So we should not rush and should wait for the right time?
Exactly. Can you use it in a sentence?
Sure. I did not get the job immediately, but I kept trying. Good things come to those who wait, and eventually I got a great job.
Perfect example. Your patience was rewarded.
Yes. Do you believe in this saying, Emily?
Yes, I do. I think patience is very important. But we also need to work hard while we wait.
I agree. Patience plus effort equals success.
Exactly. Okay, let us learn one more idiom. This one is get a taste of your own medicine.
Get a taste of your own medicine. What does this mean?
It means to experience the same bad treatment that you have given to others, to receive what you have done to others.
Oh, so if you are mean to someone and then someone is mean to you, you get a taste of your own medicine.
Exactly. It is about karma or consequences.
Can you make a sentence?
Sure. He always teased others, but when someone teased him, he got a taste of his own medicine.
So he experienced what he did to others. Now he knows how it feels.
Exactly. What do you think about this idiom, Paul?
I think it teaches us to treat others well because we might get a taste of our own medicine if we do not.
That is a wise interpretation. Treat others how you want to be treated.
Exactly. The golden rule.
Yes. Okay, Paul. We have learned many idioms today. Should we review them?
Yes, that is a great idea. Let us review.
Okay. The first idiom was get the ball rolling. What does it mean, Paul?
Get the ball rolling means to start something or begin a process.
Perfect. Next was give someone the cold shoulder.
Give someone the cold shoulder means to ignore someone or treat them unfriendly.
Excellent. Then we had go the extra mile.
Go the extra mile means to do more than what is expected or put in extra effort.
Great. Next was get cold feet.
Get cold feet means to become nervous or afraid before doing something important.
Very good. Then give it a shot.
Give it a shot means to try something or make an attempt.
Perfect. Next was get out of hand.
Get out of hand means a situation becomes difficult to control or chaotic.
Excellent. Then good things come to those who wait.
Good things come to those who wait means if you are patient, you will be rewarded.
Great.
And the last one was get a taste of your own medicine.
Get a taste of your own medicine means to experience the same bad treatment you have given to others.
Wow, Paul, you remembered all of them perfectly.
Thank you. These idioms are really practical and useful in daily life.
I agree. They help us express ideas more naturally. Paul, which idiom is your favorite from today?
I think I like go the extra mile because it reminds me to always do my best work.
That is an excellent choice. What about me? I like good things come to those who wait because patience is so important.
Both are great life lessons.
I agree. Well, Paul, I think it is time to finish our conversation.
Already? Time flies when we are learning.
It really does. Okay, before we say goodbye, I have a question for our listeners.
What is your question?
I want to ask them, do you usually go the extra mile in your work or studies? Please leave a comment and tell us.
That is a great question. I'm curious to hear their answers.
Me too. And please, everyone, like and subscribe to English Club for more English learning videos. Thank you for listening.
Yes, thank you so much for learning with us today. We truly appreciate you.
Keep practicing your idioms.
And keep improving your English.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a wonderful day.
Goodbye.